Welcome to another exciting week. Last week, we looked at plate tectonics. It is a unifying theory that is widely acceptable within the scientific community, and it has helped to explain the majority of the geologic processes that we see, both internal and external. We learned that the earth is divided into different lithospheric plates that have the ability to move because of the plastic asthenosphere. We have two types of plates: continental plates and oceanic plates. We have three different types of plate boundaries: subduction plate boundaries, where the oceanic plate comes together with the continental plate. Because the oceanic plate is heavier, it is subducted below the continental plate. If you have two oceanic plates that come together, you are going to witness the older oceanic plate is heavier, it's going to get subducted under the younger oceanic plate. We have our divergent plate boundaries, where new ocean floor is being created because two plates are moving away from each other. This type of rifting can take place. It starts on land, and with time a new ocean basin is created and oceans grow like that. Currently, because of subduction, the Pacific Ocean is closing up. Meanwhile, because of the spreading or divergence of the American plate and the African plate, you're having growth of the Atlantic Ocean. This week, we're going to be looking at the internal processes in the earth, and we'll be looking at the origin, the evolution of the sea floor spreading and mountain building and passive continental margins. Some examples of passive continental margins are like the margins of the Atlantic Ocean, both on the American side and the African side. We know spreading takes place in the middle of the oceans, where you have upwelling of mantle material, and new oceanic crust is being created there. And as this new material comes out, it pushes the older crust that is being formed from the mid-oceanic ridge and creates space for that new material to come up. You'll be expected this week to list and describe the four major features that are associated This week, you'll be expected to define bathymetry and describe the various bathymetric techniques used to map the ocean floor, compare and contrast a passive continental margin with an active continental margin, and list the feature of each, describe and list the major features of deep ocean basins, compare and contrast spontaneous subduction and forced subduction, and you'll be able to locate and name the Earth's major mountain belts on the world map. In addition to that, we're going to have our usual end of a chapter quiz. For you to do well, make sure you read the notes, you read the textbook, look at the PowerPoints that have been provided. If any concept is giving you issues, bring that to my attention. We are not going to have a lab this week, but so you're having enough time to look at the week's materials. Make sure on the discussion board you are posting questions, adding the sources that you are citing. Some images, some videos are going to help your contribution to have more depth. Enjoy the class, be engaging. If you have any questions, I'm just a text message, a phone call, or an email away. You are not alone. Let me know if you need any help. Have a fantastic week. Thank you.